if I take that 10K from 2008, say I'm trying to calculate LTM revenue, so I look at revenues from that 10K, that gives me how many months? Gives me the first 12 months of this 21-month period. If I then add to that year to date, this year's year to date, sub-zero, that gives me how many months? 12 plus 9 gives me the full 21 months. Okay, but what I want are the last 12, remember? As part of this 10Q, it'll give me this year's year to date, which I've got up here. It will also give me last year's year to date. In other words, what were the results of operations for the first 9 months of 2008? Okay, and if I subtract out these, if I subtract out these first 9 months of that period, now I've got latest 12. Does everybody see that? And that formula, so in other words, I take revenues from my 10K plus year-to-date revenues from the most recent 10Q, and I subtract year-to-date revenues from last year's similar statement.